finale on the 15th, 16th and the 24th. This Sainik School, as you all have been seeing, has been growing in strength to strength. As part of the Golden Jubilee Culmination Program, we have our Founders Day on the 15th and 16th. The 15th and 16th are very specific to us because this is the day when Shri S.R. Kantisa, who was then Education Minister, who made it possible for the people of Bijapur to have the Sainik School in this beautiful place. Sainik School, after having been committed to what it has been brought up for and doing a yeoman service to the general public, has ensured a large number of its alumni join the profession of arms. So also other professions including politics, medicine, engineering and so on. We have so far churned out about 4,000 students from this portal. It is a great honor and a moment to all of us at Sainik School that we have this 50th Golden Jubilee Founders Day being celebrated on the 15th and 16th. As part of this Golden Jubilee Founders Day, on the 15th, we have our special guest, Lieutenant General Om Prakash, Adivashisht Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Director General Recruiting, Indian Army Headquarters at Delhi. Also an alumni from this great institution coming to us to be the special guest on this occasion. On this very day, we have teams having come from all over India, especially the Army, Navy and the Air Force teams, to give a display to the public of Bijapur to ensure and motivate that the Army, Navy and the Air Force is always ahead in helping the people and also motivating them to join the forces. In this direction, we have displays starting with Kalaripayattu, which is an art of Kerala coming from the Madras Regimental Center. The motorcycle tornado display, which is a team comprises of 40 motorcycle riders coming from Army Supply Corps Center at Bangalore. Also a para-motor gliding team. This is a very interesting sport which is only practiced in the army as of today, and is a sport which many of them would love to follow as an adventure sport. The sport is being sponsored by Army Adventure Wing, New Delhi. There is also a team coming from the Air Force, which is a skydiving jumping team known as Air Devils, comprising of officers, JCOs and equivalent, and also the NCOs and the men jumping out of the sky, which is never seen in this part of Karnataka. Displayed by Air Warrior Drill Display Team, which is a very interesting drill, which is again has been won the heart world over, I would say. That is also coming in to just give us a display on the very same day. This is going to be followed by a band which has come from 27 Madras, which is a regiment which is close to us from New Delhi. Also, likelihood of a naval band coming to us from New Delhi. These are some of the events which are going to take place in the morning of 15, which is being opened for the general public to come and witness. This is the only function which the general public are permitted to come. That also being a Sunday, we expect a large number of people will come and then witness this beautiful extravaganza in Sainik School. This is going to be followed by our other events which are exclusive to the school, like a special assembly wherein Lieutenant General Om Prakash will be addressing, followed by a lunch. And in the afternoon, we have our cadets displaying to the entire crowd of old boys who are coming from outside Then we have a cultural program in the evening, followed by a Golden Jubilee dinner for those who have registered with us. The next day on the 16th, we have the same display, teams giving out a final program. This is basically to all our old boys who are coming from far and wide to attend this grand function. We also, on this very day, an eminent military leader and also the Training Command Air Force AOC in C, Air Marshal P.S. Gill, Adavishist Seva Medal, Vaisena Medal, coming to us on this occasion to be the chief guest. On the 16th, there is a parade which he will review in the school, wherein our boys in full strength will participate. He will be laying wreath at the remembrance sthal, which is known as the Smarak Sthal, which has been created in the school to inculcate the habit of respecting those who give their life to this motherland. After the program, we have a couple of events also lined up, like the school video being launched on that day and also the website of the school being launched. There's a new website, which is interactive website, which is being launched with the help of the old boys who have come in and helped us to create these facilities in the school. With all this, the 16th program will complete by the afternoon. We also have our His Excellency, the President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, coming to us on the 24th. There is an elaborate arrangement being made for his visit. He is going to be landing into the school at around 12 o'clock. The Governor of Karnataka, Shri Hansraj, also the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri Siddaramaiah ji, both of them have consented to be with us as the guest of honor on that occasion. This is going to be a solemn occasion and a ceremonial occasion wherein, as per the norms, the administration is coming to help us make this function a grand success. The President visit has not been seen in the city of Bijapur for a very long time. This is an occasion when the entire public would witness the President of India coming into the school, but the entry is restricted as it has been. People have to just enter with us through the administration for a proper invitation card. Only with an invitation card, public will be permitted to enter into the arena where the function is taking place inside the school.